everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be reviewing TEMU, a new online shopping app that I was introduced to during the Super Bowl. If you watched this year's Super Bowl, you may have seen these commercials as well. I saw 2 of them. There may have been more, but it was basically this lady like dancing around, ordering all this stuff online and getting it shipped immediately to her house. Everything was really affordable. It reminded me a lot of like an Amazon meets Shein type website. And while I'm not a huge advocate for fast fashion, I do find all of this interesting and I wanted to try it out to at least just get the full experience, see what the quality was like, see what the ordering process was like, the shipping process, and I figured it would be fun to share on my channel. So I placed an order during the Super Bowl. I ordered just a handful of items. My husband and I are going on a trip in a couple of weeks. We're going somewhere warm. So I got a bathing suit, some sundresses. I don't know what else. I think I just got 4 things and I wanted to unbox them all on camera and try them on for you as well. So first things first, I placed my order on Super Bowl Sunday. It was probably like 8 o'clock or so. It was actually a lot of fun to shop while I was watching the Super Bowl. The app isn't the best in terms of visuals. All the products do look kind of junky. It looks like everything comes from China, and I believe it does come from China. All the items are super affordable. There's a lot of clothing, a lot of home goods, a lot of beauty, just a bunch of really random things. Here I see like an avocado cutter. Here I see a pajama set.
Here I see a bunion corrector. Here's a pair of sandals, sweatshirt, sunglasses, hats, face shavers, ear and nose trimmers.
There's just like a bunch of random things. So I placed my order on February 12th at night. I got a confirmation text like immediately. And then the very next day I got a notification that my items had shipped. They just arrived at my doorstep this morning. It is currently Saturday. So the projected arrival date was between February 20th and February 25th. So it showed up like 3 days early from the earliest date. It arrived Saturday morning, the 18th. 1 point for TEMU for pretty fast shipping. So here's my package. I haven't even opened it yet. We're gonna get this full experience together. Okay, first things first, this is a little sundress. Now I have a dress almost identical to this in orange that I got from Amazon and I love it. I think I got it 2 years ago and I've been wearing it a ton during the warmer months. So when I saw this one in green, I thought I would grab it. Yeah, it is almost identical. It's just a midi length. The one I have is a maxi. It's got a ruched chest. Oh, the one I have also has ties on the strap so you can adjust the height. This one has like the little bra clips. So it's also adjustable, which is cool. I'm excited to try this on. I ordered it in, I wanna say I ordered it in a medium. I'm not sure, but I'll put that on the screen. You can tell that the quality is pretty cheap. It's very thin. I knew that a darker fabric wouldn't be see-through. I figured I would be safe with the green. We'll see how it looks when we try it on. Okay, first up is this midi dress. Please excuse my incredibly pale skin, but I'm really happy with this purchase. This dress is nearly identical to the orange one that I have, except this is a midi, that one is a maxi, and it doesn't have the ties on the straps. It just has an adjustable little like bra clip there. It's not the best quality. It is 100% polyester. This is very comparable to something you would buy on a Shein or an Amazon site, but it's something that I know I'll get a lot of use from. I will wear this all the time. I will wear this out. I will wear this during the day. It's a great lunch dress. It's a great evening dress. You can wear it with heels, you can wear it with flats. I have flip-flops on now, you can't really see. But it's really comfortable, very lightweight, especially if you're going somewhere hot or warm. I did put a bra underneath it, but it is not see-through. Though the material's thin, this particular color completely disguises whatever's going on under here. Overall, I'm really happy with this buy. Cute. Next is this t-shirt dress. Oh, this is not really my jam. So this is like a camo tank dress. Please tell me the buttons are real at least. Yes, they are super cheap quality. Not what I thought it would be, but it may look cute on. It kind of has that like sheen to it, just that like cheesy fabric. I figured this would be a great piece to wear in the spring, in the summer with flip-flops or with slip-on sneakers or Converses. We'll see how it actually wears though. All right, next up is the tank dress, and I really don't have great things to say about this one. Definitely has a little bit of an odor to it. It just smells like factory. Really cheap quality. I was hoping it would feel more like a t-shirt. It would be a little thicker, a little more structured. It's 95% polyester, 5% spandex. And I'll definitely wear it. Like, I'm gonna get my money's worth. I wanted something easy that I could throw on in the spring and summer months. Like, I could throw a denim jacket over this. I could wear it with my slip-on sneakers. It's definitely not what I thought it would be. The photo was a little misleading. And overall, I'm pretty upset with this purchase. Not really happy with this one. Next is a bikini. I actually saw this bathing suit on another website and really wanted it. Didn't end up buying it, and when I saw it on TEMU for cheaper, I figured it was a sign. It's a really cute bandeau top, little belt buckle in the middle, and then the bottoms. I got it in a size medium. Hopefully it fits. We'll find out. Okay, I had no intention of getting in a bathing suit today. My skin basically matches this suit, but overall, I'm really happy with this one. Fits a lot better than I thought. Coming out of the package, it almost looked like it was a little too large. I got it in a medium because that's usually what fits my bottoms best. And I do have a larger chest, so I usually opt for a large, but this medium is actually a little big. There's no way to adjust it, which I'm not a fan of, but I love the colors, I love the style, I love the fit. The butt, I got this suit because it was a little more full coverage and I wanted something I could wear around families. I think this will be great during the summer, but I've got to figure out how to adjust the top. It's just a little loose, like, if you go swimming, this really might come off. Like it feels like it's gonna come off. But this little detail is super cute. I wish I could add like a strap to it to hold it up. I think it would just like perk everything up anyway. But overall, I'm pretty happy with this purchase. I think that if I ordered this suit on the other sites I saw it, it would be exactly the same. I'm sure it's a wholesale item that multiple retailers are selling. So I'm glad that I got it for the steal that I did. I think it was under $10. I wanna say it was like maybe $7 or $8. Last but not least, this dress that I'm really excited about. I figured this would be perfect for our trip. Ooh, you know what? Not the best quality, but not the worst. So it ties around the neck and you can adjust the chest. I think it's a midi length. Material's not that bad, definitely not see-through, but we'll have to try this on. Okay, last but not least is this dress. I was really excited about this one. I wanted something a little more like flashy, fun, flirty, sexy. While this is usually a lot more than I normally go for, I think it'll be really fun for my trip with my husband. I think he's gonna love it. I love dresses like this that just like billow in the front because you can go out to dinner. You cannot worry about being in something super tight. You don't have to be self-conscious except for like, you know, your boobs hanging out. The interesting thing about this design, I almost feel like it would be better suited for women with a little bit smaller breasts. This controls this. So like the higher you pull this, the higher that goes. I like that these are adjustable because you can kind of give yourself a little more coverage. I don't like having too much of a halter look because I think it accentuates my breasts. It almost makes me look like very top heavy and just like a little wider, but I mean, could play around with it. I like that I can pull it down like that. This is also primarily polyester, so not the best fabric, but it feels good. I think it wears well. Once, you know, these wrinkles are out, it's gonna be super cute. It almost falls like a maxi on me. I'm pretty short, I'm 5'1", so the maxi midi, those lines get a little blurred. The back is just like this, a little halter. This is a small. I was worried that there wouldn't be enough coverage up top. Like I knew the small would fit my body, but I wanted to make sure the top wasn't too tiny, and it definitely is okay for a larger chest. I have like a 34 double D and it's covering my bust pretty well, but this is super cute. I can't wait to wear this on vacation. Can't wait to have a tan. This is another win from TEMU. All right, so that was my order from TEMU, and overall I'm really happy with it. For the most part, I made some great choices. I'm gonna figure out how to make that swimsuit work. I just need to tighten the top a little bit. I think the tank dress might be a wash. I will definitely wear it like maybe to the pool, maybe to go grocery shopping. I will get use out of it, but it's my least favorite piece from the order, and I honestly thought it might be my favorite. The green sundress is everything I thought it would be, and the red dress is just so hot. I can't wait to wear that. So TEMU launched in the United States in September. I didn't hear about it until the Super Bowl, like I'm sure many of you. They boast shockingly low prices, which they do have, and they have a really extensive catalog of items ranging from clothing to electronics to musical instruments. Like I'm telling you, there's everything on this site. The selling point is cheap products, which is not something that our society necessarily needs right now, but there's clearly a market for it. It's a Boston-based Chinese-owned realtor. It's owned by PDD Holdings, and for the majority of this year, it's been the #1 app in the Apple App Store. People can shop like a billionaire, and the way that they keep their prices low is that it allows the Chinese vendors to sell directly to American consumers, and they ship directly from China instead of a US warehouse, which you would think would delay the shipping time and all of that, but I got my products in less than 7 days. At this time, the app has only been out for 5 months, and there have already been 24 million downloads, and it's built off another Chinese app, which is already a well-oiled machine. So I have a lot of thoughts on fast fashion. I'm someone who does not shop a lot. I haven't shopped much in the past probably 3 years, being very selective of the things that I order online and that I pick up in stores for a few reasons. One, I just can't stand the clutter in my closet. It's overwhelming. I wasn't wearing half the things that I own, and I just didn't want that much stuff. Number two, I've just been spending my money elsewhere, saving it, spending it on other things, experiences, trips, gifts. I just don't need that many clothes. I love to buy things new, but I also love to shop secondhand. I'm also well aware that the fast fashion industry is at its core very destructive to our planet. It's the second largest pollutant. We used to have 2 seasons, hot and cold. You know, you had your warm weather clothes and your cold weather clothes. Now there are 52 seasons a year. There's new inventory being pumped out weekly, sometimes multiple times a week from all these online online boutiques and retailers, especially sites like TEMU, Shein, Amazon, etc. Many of the products that I saw on TEMU, I have also seen on those other sites, and like they claim, they were significantly cheaper on the TEMU app. While I don't like to turn a blind eye to these companies, I feel like the way that I can reduce my footprint and not partake is by not ordering all the time. I would say that maybe once a year, once every 2 years, I order from a fast fashion site, and when I do, I'm very selective about the items that I pick up. I want to make sure that I'm buying products I know I will wear over and over again. But I really just wanted to review it. I wanted to see what the quality was like, what the shopping experience was like, and overall, I have to say it was pretty positive. Aside from the mishap with the tank dress, everything else was as expected. I wasn't expecting, you know, finely tailored clothes. I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of the items I picked out. I saved a ton of money versus buying these items from other retailers, even Amazon. Amazon's gotten pricey these days. If you've shopped on the TEMU app before, please leave your experience below. Let me know what you thought about it. If you're not already following me on Instagram, you can check me out at _AmandaBella. While I'm away, you'll probably see me Instagramming some of these looks. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!